was a simple business that you could start and make $400 in your very first day in business. Sounds too good to be true, but I am giving you numbers that I and my neighbors pay on the low end. What is that business and what are all the details? You're going to enjoy this masterclass if you have questions like that. Hey there, before we get into today's life-changing video, here's just a quick heads up before we dive in. Everything shared in this video is for educational and informative purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, CPA, attorney, or investment professional. The ideas, opinions, and examples shared are based on personal experience, public data, and general knowledge intended to help you learn and make more informed decisions. Nothing in this video should be taken as personal, financial, legal, or investment advice. Always do your own due diligence, aka research, and when in doubt, speak with a certified professional who understands your unique situation. Also, please know that results vary. Just because something worked for me or someone else doesn't guarantee the same outcome for you. Success takes effort, consistency, and your own decision making. From time to time, we may share tools, services, or offers, and some may include affiliate links or partnerships where we earn a commission at no extra cost to you. We only share resources we believe provide value. The goal is to empower you with knowledge, not pressure you into anything. You're in control. Thanks for watching and investing time in your own financial education. Let's grow smarter together. I love you, Cousin JT. Let's get into it. If you're not afraid of ladders and want a service people happily pay $150 to $400 per day for, this is one of the simplest local businesses you can start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a gutter cleaning business, get customers fast, and turn one-time cleanings into recurring income. Now, let's start off with a business overview because I want to make sure that we're all on the same page here. Gutter cleaning is the service of removing leaves, debris, and blockages from residential and small commercial gutters and downspouts. And of course, the occasional pest might build a nest in there as well. So why does this business work so extremely well? Homeowners don't want to climb ladders. It prevents expensive water damage, and there's a strong seasonal urgency, fall and spring. High ticket for short jobs, easy upsells, downspouts, and minor fixes if you're somebody that is a bit of a handyman. You're selling risk prevention, not just cleaning, and also mold prevention as well, believe it or not. The simplest way to run this business and the easiest way for you as a beginner, start off with you, an extension ladder, some safety gear, leaf removal tools, residential homes only, flat rate pricing, and your good old handy dandy pressure washer. You don't need any employees in the beginning, don't need any trucks full of equipment or to do any long jobs. Show up, clean, and get paid. It's just that simple. The fastest path to your first dollar is target homeowners before the rainy season, offer the same day or same week availability, price clearly by home size, post locally, plus knock doors, and ask neighbors while on site. Urgency drives fast decisions. I know everybody on this app have been rich since conception, but I grew up poor, and for a long time, rich thoughts felt disrespectful. I'm not talking about you, but if my finances weren't where I wanted them to be right now, I would join JT's free Telegram group because it sends out every single day for absolutely free a detailed new strategy on how to make money with AI with very little labor. And what I'm talking about is not some high level, go do this with AI. It tells you exactly what to do, who to sell it to, how much to charge them, their pain point, everything you need to know to create it, to sell it, whole 9 yards for absolutely free. And if that wasn't enough, JT also randomly picks people that join the free Telegram group and sends them gift cards. So you might get mailed a $50 gift card for Golden Corral, or you might receive like $75 to go to Texas Roadhouse, or you might receive $75 to go to Bonefish Grill, $45 to go to Domino's, $45 to go to Panera Bread, $100 to go to Zaxby's, $150 to go to Starbucks, $40 to go to McDonald's, $30 to go to Chili's, $50 to go to Dunkin', or $100 just to go to PF Chang's. And all of that just for joining the group that was going to show you how to make money every single day anyway. It's kind of a no-brainer. If you've never seen any of our masterclasses here, when you're doing a local business, you find the right neighborhood to target by going to Zillow, and then you know what an expensive house costs in your area or in the best area for you to perform this kind of service. So then you're going to go to Zillow.com, you're going to look at those houses, you're going to find that address, figure out what subdivision that is, and you're only going to do this in high middle class or high class areas. If you go around to a lot of broke, cheap, uninterested buyers, then of course you're going to get 100 no's. Target people that have the income to pay you, and you're leading with value, not trying to negotiate price. Say that in all of these masterclasses, but I want to make sure, because I don't want to assume that you've seen previous masterclasses done here. But let's get back into the nitty gritty of it. Here's your full step-by-step execution system. Step 1, equipment, low-cost setup. You need an extension ladder. You want it to go up at least 20, 28 feet, or whatever you're comfortable with doing. You need some gloves, and these should be some pretty high-quality gloves that nothing can stick you through, bite you through, whatever. You need a scoop or a trowel. You need a bucket or a tarp, or some good old handy-dandy outdoor trash bags that are super tough. You need a safety harness, at least that's what I highly recommend, and you need a good old-fashioned pressure washer. Your startup cost can be under $300, depending on where you want to source this from and how much extra stuff that you want to have with you. Here's the services to offer in the beginning just to get some money in your pocket. Gutter cleaning, downspout flushing, roof debris blow-off, visual inspection basics. So avoid repairs at first unless you're experienced at doing those kind of repairs. You can make plenty of money without fixing anything. Here's your pricing system, flat and confident. Also, as always, if your cost of living is higher than North Carolina, adjust the prices by what it costs in your area. Do not tell me in the comment section nobody will pay that much or people will pay way more than that here. Just adjust the prices. But I'm gonna give you the prices based off North Carolina where I live. Here we go. Here's the pricing on your screen now. So single story home, you're looking anywhere between 120 to 280 depending on the square footage of the home. 2-story home, you're looking at 180 to 300 on up. I live in a 3-story house. This house that I'm sitting in is a 1-story house, but because of the size of this house, I pay $400 for the service every time I get it here, and you don't want to know what I pay on my 3-story house that I live in. So of course, like I said, that I'm giving you guys the averages, but because of the areas, right? So I tend to buy properties in kind of upper echelon neighborhoods. If you target those neighborhoods, we will pay more. So this is not me telling you, hey, go do something, and I don't really know if it works. I am the type of buyer, my neighbors are the type of buyers at this property and all 8 of my other properties that we own. Any of those neighborhoods are the right neighborhoods. And guess what? Those neighborhoods exist all over the United States. You don't gotta be in North Carolina. You don't gotta be in my part of North Carolina. You can still do this business, no problem. Now, add-ons you can charge for: clogged down spouts, extra debris neglect. Never price hourly. Just sell the outcome and charge whatever you're gonna charge based off of that outcome. Now, here's some fast channels to get you some customers. Door hangers, local Facebook groups, having your Google business page because it's absolutely free, and then getting some good reviews off of it when you do good work and people like it. The neighborhood app, right? Neighborhood canvassing, realtors and property managers. Here's a simple pitch if you've never pitched yourself or your business before. We clean gutters to prevent water damage, same day or same week availability, depending on what your availability actually is. Quoting jobs, ask for the home square footage, the home height, and some photos. Or if you have the time, run by there and get it yourself, or get the address and put it in Zillow or whatever similar website you want to use. Quote a flat rate price, confirm that there's going to be ladder access for you somewhere, and schedule quickly. Speed wins more jobs than discounts. Now let's get into your job execution. 30 to 90 minutes tops. Remove debris, flush the downspouts, bag the waste, rinse the gutters, and take before and after photos. Photos massively increase trust and your referrals. Now, turn one job into recurring income. You should offer biannual cleanings, suggest spring plus fall cleanings, lock in yearly reminders that automatically go out, and offer small loyalty discounts. Recurring cleanings will stabilize your income. Who is this business for? Because I always like to give you kind of like a self-qualification checklist. It's perfect for you if you aren't afraid of heights, you want fast cash flow, if you like outdoor work, if you want short, high-paying jobs, and you prefer simple services. It's not ideal for you if you avoid ladders, want indoor work only, scared of bugs or small animals, want passive income. Who do you sell this to? People in suburban neighborhoods, suburban homeowners, older homeowners, homes with trees, property managers, realtors, preparing listings, all in upper middle class to high class neighborhoods. They care about safe, preventing damage, reliability, and clear pricing. If you're a hustler out there, I always got to give you my hustler timeline. If you're a hustler in your very first week, you should make $500 doing this business. In your first month, you should make at least $3,000 doing this business. In peak season, you should make $8,000 to $12,000 just in peak season doing this business. And in your first 6 months, if you a hustler, you should be making over 5 figures a month. Not everybody that watched this video is a hustler. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Cousin JT. I'm your favorite country cousin. My very first business I started back in 2014. I was making $500 a week. In 30 days, I grew a business from $500 a week to $2,000 to $3,000 net profit a week, and didn't know who I was because I didn't have social media there. 3 years later, I came on the internet, and I've been helping people just like you and just like me, everyday people, start and scale successful businesses. Now I buy businesses, software companies, real estate, blah, 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 blah. But the most practical way to get started is with a service-based business. Remember that I love you, God love you, and if you keep God first, he'll help you accomplish all of your goals and he'll always take care of you. I'll see you in the next one.